When you call a function in Python, you can pass values in two different ways, by position or by name. Knowing the difference makes your code clearer and easier to read. There are 4 key ideas to keep in mind. First, position matters for positional arguments. Second, you can use a name to make things explicit. Third, keywords boost readability. And fourth, order still matters when you mix the two. We define a function called describePet that accepts 2 parameters, animal and name. The function simply prints a short sentence about the pet. On lines 4 and 5, we call the function with positional arguments. Python matches them strictly by order, so the first value goes to animal and the second goes to name. On line 6, we use keyword arguments. By writing name equals Milo and animal equals rabbit, Python matches each value by name, so the order no longer matters. Running the program prints 3 lines. The positional calls on lines 4 and 5 match by order, and the keyword call on line 6 matches by name. All 3 produce the correct result. Here is the most common mistake. If you put a keyword argument before a positional one, Python raises a syntax error. Always place positional arguments first in your call. To recap, positional arguments rely on order while keyword arguments use a name to identify each value. Mixing them is fine, as long as positional ones always come first.